bliss and peace. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have it hold you. You look so beautiful in white.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Marhay na hapon sa inyong gabos. Maayong hapon sa tanan and good afternoon everyone. Yay! Congratulations! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Ingay. In behalf of ATG Singapore, we are so blessed and happy na naging part kami ng inyong love journey. From ligawan to proposal, and now is your day, is your wedding day. We wish you a love, joy, happiness on your wedding day. As you begin your new life together, welcome to the married life. Yes, hindi man kami makarating, hindi man kami maka-attend sa wedding ninyo, but we are here to feel you that we are also celebrating with you guys. Congratulations, and because of that, we make a short video to you, and please watch and enjoy, and once again, congratulations.
Hi, Pastor Nestor and Pastora Norilyn. Congratulations and best wishes. Sabi ng Psalms 118 verse 24, this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad with it. Kaya kami ay masaya para sa bagong chapter sa inyong buhay, and we are looking forward for a very fruitful, blessed, and favorable years to come. And as you build your own family, we are praying na anumang mga aspiration, desires ninyo sa buhay, it will come to manifestation and realization. We are so blessed, we are so much encouraged with your dedication, passion in the ministry. Dalangin namin, God will honor all your prayer requests. And once again, Pastor Nestor, congratulations, and Pastora Norilyn, best wishes. The Lord is always with you. God bless sa kanunay.
Happy wedding, Pastor Nestor and Pastora Norilyn. God bless po.
Pastor Nestor and Pastora Norilyn, happy and victorious wedding day to both of you. Best wishes from AGG Zamboanga. Best wishes.
Finally, ngayon po ngayon, Norilyn Gatinaw, will you marry me?
Winter snow is falling down, children's laughing all around. Nights are turning young, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I pray. I will find someone, and baby I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You see my heart from being broken apart. You give your love away, and I'm thankful every day for that gift. It's always been a mystery to me. two hearts can come together, and love can last forever. Now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends the perfect. Not gone all my questions about why I never been so sure of anything in my life, or wonder what God was thinking when He created. I wonder if He knew everything I want, because in Him all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must be thinking about me. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me to the fire in the darkness night. You are close like no other. I know that you are Father. I know that you're friend. I live in the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running out, it's running out to me. Your goodness is running out, it's running out to me. When your life went on, surrendering now, you give your everything. Your goodness is running out, it's running out to me. Your goodness is running out, it's running out to me. Your goodness is running out, it's running out to me. In the light went on, I surrender now, I give you everything. Your goodness is running out, it's running out to me. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. And every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of